Lincoln, it's Matt, Mick here once again. And guys, we spent the last 10 weeks going from restaurant to restaurant looking for the best Reuben in Lincoln. And today we get to announce to you guys who our number one is. And it would be no surprise if you're at all familiar with Nadar here. If you've ever eaten at Billy's, you've certainly seen his face. And that is Billy's Restaurant. And I have Nadar here sitting with me. How you doing, man?
Good morning. How are you? Very good. Very good.
Your Reuben, I mean, it won by a significant margin.
Very nice.
I can tell you that.
Well,
it's just delicious.
Yeah, we've been making it for a long, long time. We follow the same recipe. We always cook the sauerkraut with lots of brown sugar and caraway seed. And when we put the sandwich together, we toast the bread by itself so it's nice and crispy, melt the cheese on it, and all the stuff that goes inside, the sauerkraut, the meat, and the Thousand Island, we heat it up. So when you get it, it's actually just burning you, and you can hardly ever pick it up and eat it. So it's like a fork and a knife kind of meal.
Right.
And that's the biggest complaint we have.
It really is. I mean, but honestly, you can tell that you guys take the extra steps. You know, you'd mentioned adding different ingredients to different parts of your sandwich, which
Yes.
other places just aren't doing that. So again, we're at Billy's here, 13th and
H.
13th and H by the Capitol. If you guys haven't been here, it's in a house on the corner. You've probably driven past it hundreds of times going downtown to the football games. But before we get too far here, I want to also kind of mention a couple other spots that we stopped at and what their scores were. So let me pull up my phone here. So our top three, starting at third, was the Garage. They had a 9. Number 2 was Sips and Subs at a 9.1, and then of course at 9.3, Billy's came in at number 1 for this Reuben. I do also want to throw out there Danny's Downtown Deli. We had an amazing experience there. 4 of those are fantastic places, but again, nobody was even close to you guys, Nadar here. So that being said, here's your best.
Oh yes, very
Lincoln
nice. We will hang it up.
Hang
Yes.
it proud and loud. And
Sure.
you guys, if you are looking for any meal, Reuben or steak, Billy's is the place to go. Everything is delicious. So Nadar, continue doing what you're doing, man. Lincoln, our next food is going to be mac and cheese. So you guys are gonna be with Jenny for that. Checking out the 10 most popular recommended mac and cheese restaurants in town. We really look forward to that. But for now, guys, check out Billy's on social media, as well as check out HomeGrown.Lincoln on Facebook, Instagram. Jenny will see you guys at her first mac and cheese Food 401. Until next time, see you guys.
See you.